Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make photos JPG format on your computer. We'll cover the essential reasons why JPG is a widely used format, especially for sharing and web use, due to its efficient compression. You'll learn the straightforward process of converting different image types, such as PNG or TIFF, into the versatile JPG format. We will also explore several readily available software options that can help you achieve this task quickly and easily. Many computers come equipped with built-in tools perfect for this task. On Windows, the Photos app allows you to open an image and then use Save As to select JPG. Mac users can easily achieve this with the Preview application. Simply open your image, go to File, then Export, and choose JPG from the format options. These methods are quick and require no additional software downloads, making them very convenient for everyday use. For more advanced control, dedicated image editing software offers robust features. Programs like GIMP, a free and open-source option, or Adobe Photoshop provide extensive capabilities. Within these applications, you typically open your image, navigate to File, and then choose Save As or Export As. Here, you can select JPG as the format and often adjust compression levels, allowing you to fine-tune the balance between file size and image quality. If you only need to convert an image occasionally, online converters can be a convenient solution. However, always exercise caution with your data. A crucial best practice is to always create a backup of your original image file before performing any conversions. Remember that JPG uses lossy compression, meaning some image data is discarded to reduce file size, which can subtly affect quality, especially with repeated saves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.